Man, shawty.
Trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab.
YouTube, what it do? Got the gang with me, man. Better go put a little work in. Put the sequential light in. Try to install this junk thing. We'll tap back in with y'all in a second. Alright, YouTube, we done made it to the spot, man, so let's figure this thing out. Y'all see the trunk a mess. Don't judge me. I've been working. I'll clean it back out. Yeah, I'm gonna get this third brake light hooked up. Get my test light. Find me a good little ground in here. I ain't got a lot of paint at. Try it out. Let's try right here. Put it right there. Find somewhere to sit y'all down at. Y'all can see people ain't got this video here fully detailed on YouTube, so I'm gonna let y'all see what I go through with it. Hey, baller, put the brake again. Baller. Baller, press the brake. Case, press that brake. Then my battery dead again, so I'm finna see. You pressing it? Damn, battery dead as a doorknob in here. Hold on, man. I think I need another ground. Okay. Y'all see that? I got fire. That's that blue wire to the brake light. Brown wire got no fire. So, white say go to brake light. You can let it go, baller. You can let it go right quick. White said go to brake light. So we're gonna hook that up to this.
We just found a dead mouse.
What?
It was on the porch.
Oh, that cat. About caught his ass and had bad finna eating him. Ain't finished eating his ass.
No, it wasn't ate up. It was just laying there.
No, he laid in the wrong spot and died. And he gonna be ate.
And then Jay had poured some water on it.
To see was it alive?
Yeah. But it didn't move.
Dead as a doorknob.
Then he died with his mouth open.
And that's what people do when they die. They mouth them up. That's why they stitch your lips up. So your mouth stay closed. Go press that brake, boo. Go press that brake. Oh shit, I'm tripping. I ain't even got this hooked up. Hold on. Hold up, let me plug this thing back in. Hold on, I'm finna put the plug back in. Alright, press it now. Hold it. Just hold it. I'm
already got some break. You just put them. I thought you
that just show for show to make it look good. That just for show to make it look good.
Yeah, I thought you ain't have none.
You can let it go, book. Let me see some. Right, left turn, right turn. ACC 12, book. Huh?
What Uncle Reggie doing?
Probably at the house. We might go over there later. I gotta find him.
I can't see what that just don't feel like nothing. That was here.
Where that?
See what's going on.
So you see what's going on, bro?
I thought you was finna make something.
Oh no. Shit, no, I ain't doing a bit shit
I thought
with.
they wasn't working back then. I thought you was finna make them out
Oh no.
from the wires that you had.
I'm finna.
They can do something like that, but hey,
What you calling? Turn the switch forward and
you got
she
too much
gone.
gone, but you had to run. But
Turn the switch forward and turn on the left turn signal, bro. I'm just gonna find them. Then I hook up the hot wire in the ground while laying. Hit the left first. Yeah, the key that's in the. Just keep it on there. Got him. Turn on the right. Hello YouTube, I ain't even showing you. You see that light? Nigga, every time that sitting and hit. Okay, that's my right sitting. That right there is the green wire. Should be the same on the G body. See, that the left right here, the yellow wire. Move this out the way. Damn, why I keep getting in the way? Okay. Focus. Alright. The yellow wire on my left. I ain't got no flash. Put it on the green. We get flash. Let me get it in there good. Trying to one hand at YouTube, so y'all bear with me. Then my battery dead. Gotta get the jump on. I'ma take that back. Alright, you see that? We flashing. I'm in the green right now. So them my two turn wide. Now let me hook these up. And you wanna hold the camera for the boots? Keep it on the wires what I'm working on. Alright, you turn out, baller. Keep it on the wires. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Tie that up. Stay right there. Take my wire up and run my wire the way I want to run it, so I ain't got to worry about all that YouTube. This right here, the brake light wire. Y'all find this right here. This gonna be plugged in your brake light, the third brake light. You gonna need one wire, that hot wire. Tie that in with your brake light that's on the harness of this, or your sequential light. Now I'm gonna run this junk, unplug it. So your brother supposed to be over here learning now. He couldn't even pop the damn hood this morning. He all up under the damn car. So what the hell you doing? Trying to pop the hood. I said, that's why your ass supposed to be watching the nigga. Your ass and know what the hell going on.
He's sitting on the porch.
Yeah, I know it. to that wire, to that
Oh, the Migo be bad for that.
What Migo?
Migo don't friend out when they see the car.
Migo. You know how Migo and them gonna try to play it. You already know it.
There's some chicken walking around there, he would have holler at
You got chicken?
Can't come with that move, so what that move do is how they speak? They say,
Hola. Hola, amigo.
Three flags. Ain't nothing but missing right there. What that did in the park. Nobody done talk English. About one person.
Now, what am I gonna do this, YouTube? I just shorted myself on my wire. Trying to make my shit neat. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I got some more wire here, YouTube. Tap in there. Try to find a little wire to add on the hill, cause I don't want my shit looking fucked up. Damn, I had a whole little road
Back of that green truck over there. Like speaker wire or something?
Yeah. Back of that truck. Alright, YouTube, gonna find some wire. I'm gonna cut this and tap in. I ain't got no wire cutter, YouTube, so I'm doing the ghetto way. Real quick and easy. Nope. I gotta snatch it out quick. I heard that nigga got down. That bitch sound horrible.
Hands on the pad.
Sound like a bed, a regular bed.
That stuff stinks. How you gonna smell it in for them?
You wait for wet ball.
Trapping and rapping and dancing, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and
Still
dab,
having me.
so trapping and rapping and dab, 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 bitch, so trapping and rapping and dab, 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 bitch, so trapping and rapping and dab, 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 bitch, so trapping and rapping and dab.
Hey, you too. What ridge at? Where you at?
I said no risk.
Oh. Alright, you two did the left turn signal, so let's go.
Thank you.
And tie the left turn sitting in right here. Well, we ain't got no fire in it right now. Hang on.
So when the car turn, that's when it's gonna have fire on it.
You turning the light on the
Trapping and rapping and dabbing, trapping and rapping and dabbing, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. So trapping and rapping and dabbing, 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 bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dabbing, trapping and rapping and dab, dab, trapping and rapping and dab, dab, trapping and rapping and dab, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, dab, trapping and rapping and dab, dab, trapping and rapping and dab, dab, trapping and rapping and dab, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, 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 dab.
Knock them the other piece, the other end. I need to cut this piece too. Man, you missed it. Yeah, niggas bringing them old schools out today.
Riga something like that.
Riga. What?
Riga look like something like that in the front.
That was the first old school I had. The old man Brandon had.
What color was yours, Daddy?
The color that cut it. Same color that cut it. Brandon Riga was green.
And yours had speakers in it.
Yep. That's why everybody you want to ride with them. You come through here whooping. Y'all don't know nothing about that. It's for y'all time, youngsters. I was 16 when I bought that car.
Daddy, you bought that car yourself?
Yeah,
Oh,
I went to work.
oh.
Save for it.
The one that go in the red one.
All of them gotta get hooked up.
Oh,
Some people don't hook all of them up the running light. When you crank the car up and it be on all day. I'm gonna have to hit it with that razor blade. Don't right, that's too thick. Let that hard around here. Yep. You see that one?
yes.
That's my left turn sitting at our YouTube. So what we gonna do? We about to run this jump through here. Just told y'all I don't want my shit looking crazy. Regular and shit. And I don't really need it this long. To be honest with you, YouTube, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it down some more. That now I might need that later.
Daddy, when you gonna fix the house right now?
Do it in a minute.
Not toward the house.
Do it in a minute. Alright, YouTube back. Had to clip some data, man. Phone got to run out the store. Let me get a piece of that. Got to run out of storage, YouTube. Gotta clip my phone up later on. Delete a lot of video. Save some onto my laptop. that one hooked up. Get the right turn signal, you see it, that green one.
Yeah.
Scan that. Tap in. It's your first time, you want to be careful with a blade now. And you want to be careful peeling that skin back off that wire, because you might have a piece of wire in the skin and that shit jump up under your nail in your hand and be hiding like a motherfucker. Okay, got that one exposed. I'm gonna run this same way. Here. Cut that one too. Still recording, it ain't stopping it. Should be good. Just deleted a lot of emails and shit. Okay. Dang. Got them two done. Take these together. Just make it look a little bit more better. And have all that loose shit running everywhere, dangling everywhere.
Yo, thing will tape on there.
All right. Wow. I got enough to hook up. Got the ground. Got the boat. I need to see if this thing gonna do something first. Before I do all that. Let's see if we got a little fire in the hole, YouTube. Right now, so you can see it if it light up. do a little test of YouTube. So we get everything signed, sealed, and delivered. Right in. YouTube, we ran out of storage again, man. I had to put some more delete some more footage what I had in there. So shit, got the light up. Now my battery dead, man. I just gotta finish hooking my ground up, took all that away. I had to get that damn data straight, man. And y'all got down, pick back up where we left from. But show y'all what's going on. This right here is the height. Right here what I got taped in. So you gon' that red wire on the harness for the sequential light, that's what you gonna tie this into. This one right here, this is my left turn. This is my right turn. I got my brake light. That's hooked up to brake light right there. This blue wire that come from the brake light that was in the window. And my ground, tapping it in right here to this ground. But like I said, I just gotta get a damn jump out because my lights and that ain't coming on, ain't nothing working. So I can't see what I got going on. So I just went on, stuck it up in the window. Shit, praying they sold me a good product, ain't sold me nothing bad. Cause I seen a couple folks see they got a couple bad ones, so praying I ain't now one of those people. And I'm gonna give y'all some footage at nighttime how it look. So y'all just bear with me, get the jump off. Then we're gonna see what we got. We got 5 in the hole. I'm gonna show y'all it working then, and then we'll get a nighttime period. So later on, we'll see y'all later, man. Well, YouTube, that's a dud. Damn, brake light don't even work. I done spent $10 for now. We made it to the hot dog. I'm gonna send that motherfucker back. Get my money back. Take that motherfucker down. It's still up. Yeah, it ain't even work, man. Building got tripping again. Motherfucking Korean serving that fucked up ass light, dog. Alright, YouTube, man. I'll check back in with y'all, guys.
Who is it? It's Sammy, man. Man, I ain't serving nobody on no, man. Nobody. Got me fucked up. Got a chop whooping dope up on the show. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, they'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people. Got a chop whooping dope up on the stove. Still serving out a bando. Fiend cut a knocking at my door. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, they'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people.